Welcome to episode 1 of Cornwall's best camps. Today I'm in Sennen Cove, so let's do this. You join me here today on a windy but thankfully sunny, glorious day at Sennen Cove, one of my favourite places to camp. This is one of my favourite smaller sites in and around Sennen Cove and around this area. It's got all the facilities you might need: a reception, a shop, a toilet, shower blocks. So in this video today, what we're going to be doing is I'll show you quickly around the site and about where it is, give you some geographical details. We're going to do a bit of cooking later on. We're going to go out into Sennen itself, have a look around the town, maybe stop and have a beer, and we're going to go take a walk down the coast path towards Land's End. So I'll put all this in the map in a minute to show you around the actual site. You see, it's a pretty flat site. Amazing views. And there's the van over in the corner. So here we are, all set up. A nice level pitch like I was discussing as we was coming up the field. And just look at the view we've got. Amazing. Out to the sea. It's a little bit misty at the end there, but like today, it started off today absolutely weeing down with rain, so I'm not going to complain from here. So one of my favourite things about this site in particular, it's been a few years since I've been here, but hardly anything's changed, is it's pretty small, nicely flat, got great access to Sennen Cove, and it's just a bit quieter than some of the other more popular, larger sites in and around this area. It makes a great landing point for you to jump off and go to Just, Sennen itself, Land's End, all those places. So what we'll be doing is exploring those with you guys. Come along for the ride. So to cook tonight's little meal, our spag bowl, I'm going to be using my little dual burner Vango here. So whipping up the onions for the spag bowl. Spaghetti's boiling away. So that's been a super fun day. We've all set up now this afternoon. Everything's good to go. Really looking forward to tomorrow. We're going to go out and do some exploring. Me, I'm going to have a beer now, chill out. I'm going to watch the sunset. I may even do a time lapse for you guys so you can check it out too. See you in the morning. As promised, welcome to Sennen Cove. It's pretty windy today, but look at it, it looks fabulous. So we just parked at the top car park. I'll put the details down in the description for you so you know where that is. And we're following the Cornish way cycle path, which is a 5-kilometre sort of loop really, which goes out to Land's End and back again. And we're going to follow that down and then join us back up with the southwest coast path before we get into Sennen itself. You just make out Land's End. So one of the nice things about this path is it's pretty accessible. I mean, it's literally a little stony underfoot, but other than that, it's pretty easy going, moderate. So even if you're not the best at kind of mobility or walking, or even if you're in a wheelchair, like a rugged wheeled wheelchair, we'll get you down here as well. So it's accessible to most people, which is great. Top of the hill, see the signs. We're going to go down towards Land's End. You can go straight down into Sennen from there. Just follow the signs. This is at the top of the hill. Just coming up on Land's End now. It's very famous. Got some footage in of that. So this path now will join in with the coast path, and we'll be able to walk all the way along the coast path back into Sennen itself. We're going to have to look at the shops, perhaps go to the pub, just have a little look around. Carry on. Well, I think we're about halfway back now to Sennen, just having a bit of a pit stop, taking in the view.
Definitely.
So we're most of the way back now. You can literally see the beach. I think it's only half a mile now, probably get back. A little old lookout post there behind me. But we've been so lucky with the day, so let's carry on. As I said, just there right behind me is the town. We'll be down there in a minute, look at the shops, maybe have a beer, get some refreshments. It's been a good walk. So now, got into town, we're going to have some well-deserved fish and chips. Right here, right in the middle of town. Let's do it. Chippies!
That is £12.85, please.
Thank you. So that's the end of the walk and the explorer of Sennen Cove, the little town itself. Hope you really enjoyed that. We're going back to the campsite now, do some cooking up later on, have a relaxing evening, and take in that sunset again. I thought this was a great place to start this series, episode 1 of the best camps in Cornwall. It's certainly up there in my sort of top 10, I would say. There's plenty more to come where this is came from. So we've had a great walk today, like I was just alluding to earlier. We ended up doing 4.5-5 miles. It was pretty easy to moderate, I would say, and hopefully, like I said, you enjoyed all the walk itself. The best way I could put it together for you. But the best way is to come down and sample it for yourself. So all the details for this site and the area I'm going to put down in the description of the video. And we're going to do many more of these, hopefully, if this gets... So, like I said, we've done 4.5-5 miles walking today. But Alf, the dog, needs another little stroll around the dog walking area on the site, which I'm doing now. But I just wanted to take this moment to say also, it's been quite a short little break weekend for us before we get back into work. So this evening I'm probably just going to kind of not worry too much about the filming, just relax, enjoy the evening before packing up tomorrow. But I would like to say, if you've watched the video and enjoyed it, your support would be invaluable. So if you would like the video, I would appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comments, if you could put them down below, or any questions or any advice or any other places you might like to see me test out for you. Maybe it'll be the new ones to me, but certainly I'm keen, like I said, if the video gets good support, is to do a lot more of these and show you some of the places that I love going to in and around Cornwall. With that said, I'm going to go relax now, leave you with this beautiful day here at Sennen Cove, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching.